at 9 a.m. is recorded for 10 days. These are the number of cars. 3-digit numbers are all. Complete the stem and leaf diagram. Stem are already given there. You know, for three-digit number, the stem will be the first 2 digits from the left side, and then remaining. Even the key is given also. This name. Okay, so which numbers are starting with 10? This number is starting with 10. Which other number is starting with 10? No one. So it means the stem is only this one 7. Because this is stem, this is leaf. Now, which is starting with 1 1? This is starting with 1 1. This is starting with 1 1. This is starting with 1 1. So you have to write in order. This one has the the leaf has 4. So you write 4, comma, then the 6, because in order you have to write, and then this one 8. Then 12, this one, this one, this one, and this one are starting with 12. So with which one is the smallest? This one, obviously. So first 0, because 12 already is there. Then 124, so 4. Then which one? 127, so 7. Then which one? 129, so it's 9. Now for the 30, these two numbers, so 0 and 2. So look, the total numbers were 10, so you should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we completed the stem and leaf diagram. And now using a ruler and a pair of compass only, construct a triangle with side 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Leave in your construction arcs. What you have to do, you need to construct a triangle with the side 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. You can give them any name. I will always recommend first what you have to do, draw the largest side, 10 centimeter. So you will draw a line of 10 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter line. Now, the other one, you can say this is your AB. This you can say is BC. And this one you can say is if BC. So say this is AC. Any name you can give. So if this is AB, what you will do, you will open your compass 8 centimeter. After opening the compass 8 centimeter, place it here and put an arc. Then open your compass 5 centimeter and opening 5 centimeter, make an arc. They should cross. If they don't cross, then increase the other compass, okay? Other arc. Where they will cross, that will be the point C, and join them. But before making any triangle, make sure the sum of two sides must be bigger than the third side. Okay? Then the triangle will be possible. But look at this one. If you take, for example, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 make 13. Yes, it is bigger than the 10. 8 plus 10 make 18. 10 plus, yes, so possible triangle. So this one is 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So we constructed simple. This one. Two lines are parallel. This is BD and AC are parallel. It means, and ABC is isosceles. If it is isosceles, in isosceles the base angles are equal because this side and this side is equal. If this is A, so this will also be A. Then what will be A? To find the A, you can use this one. A plus 40 will be equal to 180. So 2A plus 40 will be 180. What I will have from here, 2A is equal to 180 minus 40, 140. So what A will be? A will be 140 over 2. That is 70. So we got the value of A as 70. Now the next one, you know, this total, if you will take this total should be 180 degree with the line. This one is 70, but we don't know this angle and this angle, so this property will be difficult to use. Okay, it doesn't matter. In that case, if you see these two lines are parallel, if these two lines are parallel, then this one and this one will be corresponding. This will be corresponding angle. If this is A, so this will also be A. It means this angle is also A. If this angle is A, so it means A plus B should be 180 degree. A plus B should be 180 degree. So 2A plus B equal to 180 mean 2 into 70 plus B equal to 180. So B will be equal to 180 minus 140. That will be 40 degree. So it's going to be 40 degree. Okay. Or you can use this property directly. These are the two parallel lines, and this one between the parallel lines, this angle and this angle will be equal. So directly B can be 40 degree. And number 9, rearrange the formula to make the W the subject. Take the other things to the other side. That will be 3y minus 7. So what W will be 3y minus 7 over 5. That's it. Explain why square root of 3 is irrational. Now, if you will take the value of square root of 3, calculate square root of 3. If you will take the calculator value of square root of 3, what does it give you? If you calculate the calculator value of square root of 3, what does it give you? Anyone please? I should take my own calculator, it means. Hello?
It's 1.73.
1.73205, yes?
Yes.
1.7302508 0 so on. It is non-terminating and non-repeating. Mean it cannot be, we cannot write it as fraction. So we cannot write as fraction. We cannot write as fraction any number which we cannot write as fraction. So it's irrational. That is why. That will explain the reason. Okay, number 11 is the mass m kilogram of a horse is 429 kg. Correct to the nearest kilogram. Okay, it means this is the degree of accuracy. Complete the statement. When you have to complete the statement, it means here should be upper bound, here should be lower bound. So what is the degree of accuracy? 1 kg. You will halve the degree of accuracy. It is 0.5. So it means what will be the upper bound of 429? You will add 0.5, will give you 429.5 kg. And what will be the lower bound of 429? So it will be 429 minus 0.5. That will be 428.5. So upper bound we always write here 429.5, and the lower bound we will write here 428.5. Okay. Now what you have to do, please try to complete this